Trade recap for today. It is Tuesday, the 22nd of July. Didn't take anything yesterday. It was just literally buying the entire time. As you can see, if I just zoom out, you can see my executions here, and you see no executions, blah blah blah. Anyway, so reason for this trade. So I actually nearly got tricked by this right here because we did inverse this, but it is just kind of dumb to get in so early. To be honest, we want to see it build up, which is what this trade was. So that's the right way of doing things. So if we go on to the 1 hour, no, not even. We don't even need to. We've rebalanced basically. We basically rebalanced on the 4 hour. We rebalanced on the 4 hour like completely, like really nice rebalance. And from there, I was basically just, I was like, honestly, I don't think it'll go further. We went down like 230 points. We're literally in a bullish market. 240 points. We're in a bullish market. Really, I don't see it just completely dumping. We dumped down exactly to the 4 hour equilibrium. And then from there, we started doing this. Started dilly-dallying for like what? 11 minutes. We made this little mini SMT here, and after that we just started pushing up. I was actually wanting to I had this idea put out here. I wanted to get in a rebalance there originally. That would be my actual trade that I wanted to take to probably into this 5 minutes, so probably like there. That would be the best, but it didn't rebalance, as you can see. It just kept going, so I was like, okay, fair enough. So the reason I took it here on this pullback was we made this SMT, we continued to run up higher, so it pushed us down one candle and then we just ran through it anyway. So it was basically telling me we do want to continue the rebalance. My goal was for us to hit EQ of this range, so as you can see, the one's up there, the zero's there, and then the 0.5 is right in the middle, and I got out here, but we actually went and tapped it exactly. So it was either between the EQ and the VWAP. I wanted to come somewhere near that. It was just one of them days where that's all I could really use. Because look, if you try and use the sell side imbalances, buy side inefficiencies, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one are you going to aim for? You know, what are you going to aim for? So I just literally used a more logical approach today, and I've been using it a lot lately, especially with these big sell-offs and big buy-ups. I just like to get in a move to equilibrium, basically, and it works. So this was a 5 minute. We literally just pulled back into the 5 minute. We wicked into it, and then I dropped onto the 1 minute, entered right here, boom, and then just literally aimed for. Originally, it was for there, but I normally cut my trades at 50 points anyway, so I literally cut it like top of that candle, so like 52 points or so, and that's it. It's pretty simple. There's really not a lot to it. It's not complicated. It was just simply we'd shot down this much on the 4 hour, we had rebalanced to the middle, so then on the 1 minute and the 5 minute I was looking for a rebalance of this whole thing that sold off 240 points, which we have just gotten. We have just gotten the rebalance of, it should be around 120. Yep, 120 points. So that's literally all it was. And then from there, I just looked for an entry. So we got a pullback. I don't know if that's, I don't really think it is it? Oh, yeah, you could even go off that, to be honest. I mean, it's pretty close. So, I mean, it's literally just, we pushed down so much, we rebalanced in the 4 hour, and I got in for another rebalance of the sell-off. They got into a rebalance. So it's literally just rebalance to rebalance. That's all I was playing. I was playing an internal rebalance on a bigger scale. So this sell-off was a bigger scale. It was a H4 rebalance. I played the M5 rebalance. So, well, M5, M15, M1, it's all, it's the same rebalance on them all. But yeah, I played that, and I just used 5 minute for entry. We pushed up, we broke through this tiny SMT, so that's literally the exact reason for trade. And yeah, and now we're just moving sideways since. So good exit, I think so. So hope you enjoyed and hope you also did well today. It's a bit tricky the first 2 days. Monday was all up. There was like barely any pullbacks, and today is all down. And well, we eventually got a pullback at 10 a.m. Who would knew? 10 a.m. reversal. That wasn't even my whole plan for this, but it looks to be what happened anyway. So yeah, that is me. See.